Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the payments method on Amazon. Here's how to change the payments method on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is log into your Amazon account, which of course I've done right here. And how do you log in? Visit Amazon.com using any browser of your choice and click sign in on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Now, in your account, hover over the account and list at the top right corner of the page, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu with a couple of options including account, others, keep shipping for, recommendations, browsing history, recalls and product safety, a lot all the way down to sign out. Now, go ahead and click on account, and that is going to take you to your account management page, where of course you'll be provided with a couple of options. I'm definitely going to show you what to do once you get in there. On the accounts page, which is here, find your payments option, which is here too, and click on it. This will take you to your payment methods page. On the payments methods page, which we have here, you'll see a list of your current payments methods, including credit cards and gift cards. And I do not have any payments method added, but if you do, you're definitely going to find that there. To add a new payments method, click on add. Okay, so go ahead and click on add a credit or debit card. That's if you have existing cards here, you're going to see an option that says add a credit or debit card. But since I do not, I'm just going to click on add a payment, and it's going to take me to the window where you're going to see add a credit or debit card. So let's say this is how it's going to look like. Then you see add a credit or debit card button. Now click on that. Then once you click on that, fill in the necessary information. And once you fill in the necessary information, that including your card number, name on the card, expiration date, security code, go ahead and click on the add to your card button. After doing that, that's it. Now to edit or remove an existing payment method, locate the card you wish to change from that same platform or from that same page. You can click the edit next to the card to update details like the expiration date or billing address, or even click remove to remove or to delete it. If you added a new card and want to set it as your default payment method, find the card and click set as default. And after making your updates, ensure you save any changes by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled save or update. You should see a confirmation message that your payment method has been successfully updated. Now, when you go to checkout for your next purchase, your new or updated payment method will be available. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.